Okay, today, guys, we're gonna be eating some boxes like this. Watch me! Yay! We'll do it again. And 3, 2, 1. Yep! We're just gonna do it to every single box. And once we're done, I'll show you some things I bought. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah! I'm gonna follow them. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, wait, I have a good idea. For it to be faster for you guys, I'm gonna just do this. And I'm sorry I never actually show you guys, actually make the video in real life yet. I just don't have a camera for it yet. But this is fun. And there's a new update. Let me show you. Let me show you the new update. Host. There's 16 now! Why are there 16 now? It's so weird, right? 16. Guys, I'm gonna go in I'm gonna show you the mods I have. Oh, I meant the things I bought. Like helicopter, see? Watch this, guys. You can fly the helicopter, but I don't know how, really. Never mind, I do. That helicopter bad. Let me fly another one. Never mind. Because if I make this fly, you guys have to leave a like, okay? And I never flew this. I mean, I don't know really how. Yeah. Come on. Why won't it work? It won't fly. Come on. That's a bowl. Yes. I'm doing it, guys. I'm flying. Guys, now you guys have to leave a like on the video. Yay! And if you showed me, hit that like and fly button. Let's go. Let's fly it again. Guys, I'm a helicopter. Helicopter. And I know we only made one DownShot video, and you guys seem to really like that. Yeah, that's why we are going to make another one. Oh my god, my black. And guys, peace out, everybody. I hope you guys have a good day or night. And bye. Sorry.